Hey everyone, welcome back to Python 101. And today we're on week 15, part 1. Alright, so I hope this microphone works better than the old ones. Alright, so we're going to be talking about hexadecimal representation, which is usually in math, but here you can just turn it. So, yeah. By using the function hex, you can convert numbers into a hexadecimal format. And here we're also going to do binary, but that's later. So let me move my, let me just move this up there. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go to the Jupyter notebook. All right, so what we're gonna do is hex, and you can see it's turning green, so that's a good sign. 246, and that gives us a hexadecimal representation. So really all you need to look at is this F6. And as we can see, if we go here and we could go to the base converter, here we're on rapid tables, and the number will be, let's see, it's gonna be, what was it, 246. From base 10 to base 16 hex convert, and we get F6, which is what we got here. So you really don't need to look at the first part. And hold on, let me go. All right, so, and then here when we try out another number, say hex, we will also see the 0x. So the 0x really doesn't matter, you just don't look at it. And then what really matters is the second part. All right, so same goes for binary. So like I said, you can do binary, and you just use the function bin. And except binary is like hex, but it's a bit different. If you do like a random number, this, it's gonna give you 0b, 1, blah, blah, blah. So really all you need to know is this, and the 0b doesn't really matter. Oh, and here there are letters because that's just how base numbers are. You run out of numbers, so you go to letters, and then so there's A to Z. So that's why you will see E, C, blah blah blah, and so on. So here you could do bin Latin. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. 128. So you get 100. That's 110 million. Who cares? Okay, so that's pretty easy. Now we're going to talk about exponents. So this is the one that it's kind of confusing at first, but when you get it, you get it. Okay, so the function pow takes 2 arguments equivalent to that. So that's basically x to the power of y. You do pow 3 comma 4, you get 81 because that's 3 to the power of 4. So with pow, you can also use 3 arguments, which is equivalent to 3. If you put 3, 4, 5, you get 3 to the power 4 modulus 5. Okay, so modulus is like you divide something by this number and you get the remainder. That the modulus is the remainder. So let's look at an example. All right, so pow. we said 4, 5. We get this 4 to the power 5. But if we do pow 3, 4, 5, we get 1 because 3 to the power 4 is 81, and then 81 modulus 5 is equal to 1. So that's that. The next thing is round, or yeah, it's absolute value. Round is after that. The function absolute or abs returns the absolute value of a number. The argument may be an integer or a floating point number. If an argument is a complex number, its magnitude is returned. All right, so let's do absolute. Negative 3.14, and you get 3.14, and then just abs. Oops. So basically, it just returns the positive value of any integer or anything. All right, like I said, next is round. When you round a number, you usually control how far you round it, and that's what you do here. So the default is 0 digits, so it just returns the normal thing. And the first number you enter, or the first parameter, is the number you want to round. And the second is the number of places you want to round. And it's basically backwards, because if you try round 3, 4, or 3, 2, you get 3. Or if you try. And then you try another number, it's 2. You round to the nearest 2, but if you try negative 2, it'll round to 0 because it goes. So basically, how do I explain this? So a positive will go this way, while a negative round, or I should say negative round number, will go this way. Okay, so negative. Yeah, that's it. That's how you spell negative, right? Okay, so that's basically it. If you want to see more of those math thingies, you can go to this. If you're watching from YouTube, the link is in the description. And if you're watching from WeChat, well, too bad. Okay. Oh, okay. So lately I had trouble with my homework, so I just used Python to solve it for me. Wait, it was here. Hold on, oh, I can't find it. 2 months ago, a month. There it is. Math problems. Okay, so basically there's an arithmetic sequence with 24 numbers. The first number is 10 and the 24th number is 50. You have to find the sum of all numbers. So I just said x equals 10. That's my first number. I created a list, and the first number is going to be x. I used the for loop, and I just generated the sum of my list. All right, problem number 2 was there's a sequence, and it's multiplied by 3 each time. You have to find the ones digit, so it's like 7, 1, 3 of the 62nd number in the sequence. So I just use another for loop in a list, and turns out the last number was a 1. All right, that's something cool. And another thing is, if you haven't done so, go subscribe to me, please. Yeah, so just go to this. Bruh, this guy. This guy tried to draw a lot. Okay, so you search up press on this, and oh wait, just wait, it's different now. So there's supposed to be a, anyway, just press the subscribe button that's here. Anyway, that's it for today. See you next week. Bye.